heavy shot.
Nice elbow. Beautiful elbow.
बहुत ही तेज रफ्तार.
अभी हमारे सामने है और मेन इवेंट में एक तरफ है हमारे देसी धमाका संजीत बुधवार और दूसरी तरफ है सर्बिया के भेड़िए जॉर्जे.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Serbia, George Stojanovic!
सर्बिया के जॉर्जे. John, what do you think about this fight?
Wow, what an interesting matchup we have here. We have such a technical fighter.
MMA इनकी फैमिली में है, इनके परिवार में है. इनके पिताजी एक MMA जिम चलाते हैं और वहां से शुरुआत हुई जॉर्जे के MMA करियर की.
Delhi, are you ready? First, we introduce the blue corner. He holds a professional record, 5 wins and 1 loss. He stands 169 centimeters, weighed in at 64.7 kilograms. Representing Serbia, make some noise for George Stojanovic! And his opponent, he holds a professional record of 7 wins and 2 losses. Stands 171 centimeters tall, weighed in at 64.5 kilograms, representing India, the silent killer, Sanjeev Budvar! Ladies and gentlemen, as the action begins, the referee for the fight, Daniel Isaac.
Okay, when I ask you to stop, please stop. Touch gloves if you want, or step back.
All right, guys, it's here. The wait is finally over. This is the main event of the evening.
बिल्कुल राहुल, सही बात है. ये है MFN 9 के मेन इवेंट की शुरुआत. एक तरफ है रेड कॉर्नर में संजीत बुधवार और दूसरी तरफ सर्बिया के जॉर्जे स्टोजानोविच.
So Georgie is a complete MMA fighter. He's a blue belt. But Sanjeet looks overconfident here. John, what do you have to say?
Yeah, absolutely. I was about to say he's taking a nice right hand right there.
Wow, that was a slick attempt to take Sanjeet down.
लेकिन संजीत ने एक ही सेकंड में पीछे किया जॉर्जे को. संजीत के आत्मविश्वास की दाद देनी होगी. उस पंच के नीचे वो झुके और अब यहाँ जॉर्जे ऊपर आ चुके हैं. बढ़िया टेक डाउन लिया जॉर्जे ने. संजीत जॉर्जे के नीचे है इस टाइम पे. यहाँ से संजीत को निकलना होगा.
Look at the way how technically he's pinning down Sanjeet Budvar. And this can prove to be fatal for Sanjeet.
बिल्कुल संजीत के लिए यहाँ रहना बहुत खतरनाक है. उनको जल्द से जल्द यहाँ से निकलना होगा. और एक सेकंड के लिए ऐसा लगा जैसे बैक मिलने वाली है जॉर्जे को. पंचेस मार रहे हैं यहाँ से.
He's being highly technical. He's landing in those shots. And I think Sanjeet has to get out of that position. Otherwise, he's in trouble.
I agree there. Georgie is winning the battle of inside control here on top.
बिल्कुल अभी ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे जॉर्जे ने संजीत को काबू में ले लिया है. संजीत जैसे खतरनाक जानवर को काबू में ले लिया है.
Fatal for Sanjeet here. Man, heavy shot.
Nice elbow. Beautiful elbows. Notice how Georgie continues to transition his abdomen.
Sanjeet looks clueless there. He's there eating those shots. He doesn't know what to do. Oh my goodness. That's some heavy leather by Georgie.
Look for Georgie to push his head down, create some space and drop those elbows just like that. Sanjeet needs to get out of this position.
बिल्कुल. और कहीं ना कहीं अब इतने पंचेस खाने के बाद
Georgie transfers his weight down towards the lower part of his abdomen and grapevines those legs, keeping him from being able to bridge up.
Well, that's a very technical
don't
mount.
hold the cage.
And this is Georgie's territory. He's going in for the submission or landing punches. Georgie is a technical grappler here.
इस पूरे राउंड में जॉर्जी संजीत के ऊपर रहे हैं और उन पे मुक्कों की एल्बोज की बारिश करी है. और जैसे कि जॉन आप बोल रहे हो, जब भी संजीत निकलने की कोशिश करते हैं, जॉर्जी अपना वेट शिफ्ट कर लेते हैं और संजीत को नीचे दबाए रखते हैं. बहुत ही बेहतरीन ग्रैपलिंग है ये.
You know, something interesting George is doing here is utilizing those open hands. First off, he needs to get his hands up. Let's keep our hands up.
Probably Sanjeet knows that Georgie will take him down, and therefore he has a little bit low stance.
He's certainly lowered his stance here. Nice
Whoa!
knee. Wow.
Like a brave grey wolf. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got Georgie Staniovic in the blue corner taking on Sanjeet Budwar in the red corner.
Watch, you guys take note and watch here. Georgie will utilize an orthodox stance and then switch to a southpaw stance, giving Sanjeet no time to build a base, to build some rhythm. Nice uppercut by Sanjeet here.
I think he's got to stop doing that.
लेकिन संजीत को अपना संतुलन बनाए रखना होगा. देख के टाइम करके चीजें करनी होंगी.
String together more than 2 punch combinations if he wants to win this fight though, guys.
But John, with that kind of stance that Sanjeet has, you can always predict that a big right hand is coming in.
Yes, absolutely. And something I'm surprised Georgie's not doing is kicking to the leg. Sanjeet's legs are very clenched. No, nice check left hook
Georgie
right
angled
there.
out.
Absolutely. He's certainly setting it up here.
एक कमाल की बात यह है कि इस राउंड में जॉर्जे संजीत को नीचे नहीं ले जा पाए. बढ़िया पंच.
Whoa! Bang!
Wow.
Spinning back fist by Georgie. Gets stuck. Sanjeet on fire.
Sanjeet
He's
going
trying
for
to
the
go
head.
in over
Guillotine.
the
लगा रहे
guillotine.
हैं. क्या लग गया है? खून नजर आ रहा है हमें. राहुल देखिए, जॉर्जे को चोट लग चुकी है या शायद ये संजीत का खून है.
Man, that spinning back fist literally cut open Sanjeet. Not sure if he can finish the standing guillotine. However, here in Georgie is defending. He knows how to make the distance and try and get out. Well, with that, John, I think Sanjeet is going to tire himself with that
He's going to
guillotine
tire
attempt.
out his arms and he won't be able to punch anymore. Absolutely.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. कमाल की फाइट, बहुत ही रोमांचक फाइट.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event. Less than 10 seconds into this fight, and Georgie cut open Sanjeet Budwar with that spinning
There's
back fist.
blood everywhere.
Whoa!
What a great round.
What a spectacular show. John,
का मेन इवेंट इससे ज्यादा मजेदार नहीं हो सकता था. दाद देनी होगी हमें मैच मेकर एलन फर्नांडिस की.
well, yeah, hats off to Coach Allen for making such spectacular fights. Man, bit of sportsmanship here.
Sanjeet said, "What's going on, man?
Sanjeet
Get away
said,
from
"That's fine,
me."
man. We do the hugging later on." Georgie trying to take Sanjeet down. Sanjeet is back on his feet. Both these guys on their feet now. Georgie gets a big liver shot.
Nice kick by Georgie there to the liver.
Follows up with a jab, another shot, but Georgie misses. Georgie trying to take Sanjeet down, takes him down. Sanjeet gets up.
Sanjeet going for the guillotine again.
फिर
Is he
से
going in?
गिलेटिन लगाने की कोशिश.
Really?
Oh, he's trying to take the back. Hey, that's some excellent stuff here by Georgie.
I'm surprised at the lack of leg kicks from both fighters here. There's several opportunities. Nice spinning back fist.
Sanjeet has got his spot. He's got Georgie.
Takedown.
He's clinging on to Georgie, throwing in the shots. Now going in for the guillotine. Man, this is what a real main event is.
What a fight, guys.
Whoa!
What a fight.
Excellent fight.
We're coming from his waist. This was telegraphing.
और अगली फाइट भी एक बहुत ही धमाकेदार फाइट होने वाली है. एक तरफ है पुण्याजीत लिखारू और दूसरी तरफ है सर्बिया के जॉर्जे स्टोयानोविक. राहुल, क्या बोलते हो आप इस फाइट के बारे में?
Well, we all love Georgie. Georgie's coming back. We last saw him fighting at MFN 9.
First, we introduce the blue corner. He weighed in at 61.25 kilograms, representing India, the pride of Assam, Punyajit Likharu! And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 61.1 kilograms, fighting out of Serbia, He's known as the Serbian Wolf, Jorge Stojanovic!
Want to touch gloves, if not, step back.
Look at that stare. Did you see the fire in their eyes? Oh my God, man. चाहे कोई भी इनमें से पॉइंट प्रूव करे, एक बात तो पक्की है. This is gonna be one hell of a fight.
Got a good inside leg kick by Georgie here. He assured me that he's been working on his striking and to look for a finish here.
क्या बात है, बहुत
Nice,
तेजी से
nice
शुरुआत
hooks
करी
here.
जॉर्जे ने. बढ़िया कॉम्बोज लगा रहे हैं वहां पे, हुक्स के साथ लो किक्स.
Ah, that's a nice kick.
Georgie continuing to batter that lead leg of Punyajit here.
I think
Nice
Punyajit looks a little bit
slip.
shocked here.
Punyajit lands a nice rear leg kick here. Looking good. Both fighters establishing dominance here.
बहुत ही तेज रफ्तार, 4-5 मुक्के मारते हुए आगे बढ़े यहाँ पे.
And that's the good thing about Georgie here. He's charging in with a lot of combinations, you know, punches, kicks, and he's mixing them. John, Punyajit comes in from Cross Train, which is one of the premier and one of the best fight clubs in the country.
Punyajit stopped that takedown attempt by Georgie right there and has him up against the cage.
He's trying to control Georgie. Throws in that
Nice.
nasty elbow.
Nice elbow.
Georgie throwing in. He's all in. He's throwing in some heavy punches here.
क्या बात है, कॉम्बिनेशन को खत्म किया एक स्ट्रेट किक के साथ वहां पे.
Georgie looking for an overhand here.
Well, if that connects, it's going to be crazy. Georgie
Nice.
looking in for the takedown. Almost gets it. And
Oh.
we've got Punyajit here.
बिल्कुल, बहुत अच्छा किया यहाँ पुण्यजीत ने. उस टेक डाउन की कहानी ही बदल दी. जॉर्जी ने
पुण्यजीत-
लिया था टेक डाउन, लेकिन पुण्यजीत आ गए हैं अब ऊपर. और यहाँ से हावी पड़ रहे हैं पुण्यजीत जॉर्जे पे, दबाव डाल रहे हैं. खतरनाक हो सकता है ये. राउंड में 25 सेकंड बचे हैं. कहीं ना कहीं ये जो डिसीजन था टेक डाउन लेने का, ये जॉर्जे के लिए गलत साबित हो रहा है. यहां से देखिए, जब मुक्के लगते हैं तो दर्द बहुत होती है.
We've got Punyajit Likharu dominating from the guard position. However, again, Georgie is relentless. He's not giving up. That was nice.
That was a
Technical.
good scramble. Good scramble. Punyajit lands back in his guard.
So it looks like he's going to want to do that again.
Yeah, I agree. And both guys are talking to each other inside that cage. They're having fun out there.
बहुत गर्मो-गर्मी है इन दोनों फाइटर्स के बीच में. Yes, I think it happens once you realize that you're dominating in one area of the fight, you want to go there again, and why not?
I imagine that that's what his coaches are saying as well.
He comes across as a fighter at such a young age. Look
Nice
at the way.
hooks
Oh
here.
my
बहुत
Putting
ही
goodness.
pressure on him,
कड़क
getting him
मुक्के,
against the
क्या
cage.
बात है.
Punyajit is very durable, guys. Very durable. Let's see if Georgie's fully recovered here, guys. Nice clinch exchange here.
Oh, बढ़िया किक लगाई
That
वहां
was a
जॉर्जे
nice
ने.
kick.
हार्ड पंच मारा, केज के अगेंस्ट धकेला जॉर्जे ने. पुण्यजीत को टेक डाउन लेने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. फिलहाल पुण्यजीत डिफेंड करते हुए
Whoa!
स्लैम
Nice
किया.
slam by Georgie right into
Slam
side
किया.
control.
Georgie surprising Punyajit once again.
You're going to look for him to establish side control and to hold him down to try to get some damage.
John, at the same time, Punyajit is also doing a good job in defending that
He
thing.
is 100% back to his feet. Punyajit is now back to his feet, looking for a guillotine. Looks like he's secured a nice guillotine here.
यहाँ पे चोक लग चुका है. क्या फाइट खत्म होएगी? और यहाँ पुण्यजीत के नीचे रहना बहुत खतरनाक हो सकता है. एल्बोज आ रही हैं.
We've got less than 20 seconds in this bout. Georgie's got Punyajit's toe. Punyajit scrambled out. Man, those shots are explosive. I'm sure they're causing a bit of damage to
They are.
Georgie.
Look at Georgie's side.